Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have got this parcel from one of the subscriber from Visakhapatnam. So this is big box. Whatever there in the box has come for service. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this and see what is there in the box. Alright. So I don't want to show the address of the subscriber here, but name is there, Shivakumar Reddy. Let's open from this side. There is one more small box in this. So let's see the content here. So you can see here, this is JBL 230NC, one piece is there. So battery is the issue, so need to replace the battery. So again one more 230NC. There are many 230NCs in this box. So this is also 235 230NC, both are mixed. So this is the fourth piece of 235NC. So this is the fifth piece. So all has these buds. You can see there is no response in the earbud. And this is one more. There is no bud in this. So he said one more bud is there in this box. So let me open and check. So this is the Sennheiser Momentum 3 here. So this has also come here for the battery replacement. So again, so this is the small camera here. So action camera. This is also battery problem. So I have to replace the battery of this here as well. So alright, that's it in the box as of now. So alright, I have taken the cover of this box here as well. So let's see what is there in this box. There is one more small box, and there are batteries here, few batteries, and this is the battery of the action camera, and this is one JBL 130NC. So this is a single bud here. So alright, let's conclude what is there in this. So everything has come for battery replacement. Overall there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 earbuds, 6 sets of JBL 230 and 35NC. Only one bud is missing in this, remaining it is full. So all it has buds. So this is Momentum 3. So all these, and this is action camera SJCAM. So need to do battery replacement for this camera here as well. So alright, so this is the unboxing video. Further I will upload the battery replacement of this action camera and as well as this Sennheiser Momentum 3. Remaining this, I have uploaded many videos for these models. Please subscribe to see the battery replacement of these earbuds. So finally all earbuds and this camera has been fixed. So we can see, so in this case only one earbud was there. So this is fully charged. Case was not working. So this is also working fine. So this is also working fine, you can see. And this is also done. This is also done, fixed. So this is also done, fixed. And so this is Sennheiser Momentum here. So this is also working fine. This was completely dead. So you can see lights are glowing. Let me click it. Let me press it for pairing. You can see, so red and blue color light is blinking alternatively. That means this has entered in pairing mode and working perfectly. So finally, so even I got this single bud. So this is also working fine. And this is the action camera. So you can see it has started working and battery is full. So that's it. So even if you have something like this, if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So I got this from Andhra Pradesh. If you want me to replace the battery, just you have to do a courier. Then I will replace the batteries and I will ship it back to your address. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.